Welcome to the BalTec series of tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll look at machine parameters, how to back up and restore. From the home screen of the HPP-25, we select the tool icon. From this screen, we can go into changing the various parameters of the machine, a total of 100 lines, and depending on the password, you may or may not have access to change the values. On this screen, we can choose a line and then click this icon to actually enter a new value. The bottom right, we have the button to change the password level. HPP-25 configuration, we can set values for the Ethernet port. We also have an alarm history. And here we can see what errors have been recorded. Then we have an execute function. We have an option to return back to factory settings. We can calibrate the HMI touchscreen. We can update the software, load a new software into the HPP-25, or activate different options, auto compensation, S7 link from this screen. On the right-hand side, we have at the top the Save Program and Setup. To make a backup, we open the USB port, insert a USB stick, and we can simply push this button. And now we're ready. And all data is backed up. We can also restore back from the USB the parameters. We have 5 backups here. We choose the desired one. Click OK. And now we restored those parameters. We can also do the same with programs. We can restore all programs from the same backup or a different backup, and also we can click this icon to select individual programs and restore them. And at the bottom we have the globe icon. From here we can select a language, and we can also set the time and the date stamp. And this icon here is to change the contrast of the control. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In case you have any questions, please contact your local agent or us at baltec@baltec.com. Thank you and goodbye.